Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Electrical Concepts. My name is Aviken Roy. So in this video lecture I'm going to talk about the load curve. Okay, and I think many of you have studied this already. So we are going to look at the definition of load curve, its importance, okay, and also the load factor. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start. So the variation of load for a time duration is known as load curve. So as you can see in this figure, the load is continuously varying with respect to the time. Here a 24 hours time period has been considered. So that means it is called a daily load curve. Similarly, monthly load curve is possible. Also yearly load curve is possible. Okay, and here you can see at this time instant, the load is found to be maximum, that is 8 megawatt. Alright, so from this load curve, many important aspects can be analyzed. For example, load factor, it is nothing but average demand by the maximum demand. Okay, this load factor can also be written as area under the load curve by total area. Area under the load curve means this entire part, and total area means this red colored rectangle. Okay, actually see, if you multiply this average demand by the time period, that means 24, similarly the maximum demand, if you multiply this with 24, okay, you will get the area under the load curve by total area, because average demand multiplied with the time period will give you the area under the load curve, this area. Similarly, maximum demand, that means here 8 megawatt, multiplied with the time period will give you that red rectangle. So that means that entire area or total area. Okay, so load factor can also be written as this. Next point is load curve helps in selecting the size and number of generating units and also their operation schedule. So this is another advantage of load curve, because by analyzing this load curve you can decide the size of your generating unit and also the number of the generating units which are going to be operated in order to achieve an optimal operational schedule. Okay, so these things will be clear later on in my next video lectures. So for the timing, just understand these things. Okay, so these are different advantages of load curve. Alright, so I think you have got an idea of various advantages of load curve, and you have also got an idea of load factor. Okay, so in next video lecture we are going to discuss some important factors and terms related to load curve. Okay, so if you have liked this video, please share, comment and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.